Yeah, sure. Just be like a 20-minute wait or less, if that's okay.
20 minutes?
Yeah, 15-20 minutes or less.
What time do you close?
But you're 10:30.
Ah, I thought it's like 10.
No, 10:30 tonight.
Okay.
Because it's Saturday. Saturday and Sunday, it's like 10:30.
Friday, Saturday, it's 10:30. Sunday, it's 9:30.
So how do we know that
Sunday 9:30.
we're gonna give you your phone?
So I just need a first name, last name, phone number, and an email. Okay, and then I just need to check either a negative COVID test in the last 48 hours or a vaccine card and an ID. A photo is okay. And then a matching ID as well. Thank you.
So as you can see, it's still full. So while waiting, we'll go and check.
I like long.
Hindi na kailang bibilan man.
Si Alex?
Siyempre.
Dali, kuha ka na.
Wala mang ano mga antawag dun. Hard Cafe.
Gusto ko yung makinang eh.
Di akala ko kukuha ka, kaya kumuha din ako.
She's gonna give me a military discount.
Did you need a bag for your cheese?
Yeah, sure.
Normal it's 28.
Yeah.
If you got $20
With my discount, huh?
a discount, 19 discount.
So this is the one I bought for $40.
This is their menu. They call our name already, so we'll go up now.
Hindi pa nga ako pumasok dito, ngayon nga lang pumasok nakikita-kita ko lang So that one, here, around there. Nakakatawa naman, nag-hi siya.
Sino?
Ayun o.
Curious, what did you buy?
Halos lahat man ano? Ngayon natin. So we're done.
So this is the picture we took before going.
So hand wash. Yeah, don't put in the
Yan yung binili natin. Oo. Oh, cute nga itong nabili natin. Thank you so much. Okay, too.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!